Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB with Ethereum on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app and make sure you already have Ethereum in your wallet. You will need ETH to swap into BNB. On the main screen, tap the Swap button at the bottom of the app. From the menu, choose Swap. A new window will appear with two fields. In the top field, select Ethereum as the token you want to swap from. In the bottom field, select BNB as the token you want to swap to. Now enter the amount of Ethereum you want to convert. The app will show you how much BNB you will receive based on the current rate. Double-check the numbers and make sure you leave enough ETH in your wallet to cover the network fees. When you are ready, tap Swap. The app will ask you to confirm the transaction. Review the details one more time, then confirm. The Ethereum in your wallet will be sent through the swap, and the BNB will appear in your wallet once the transaction is complete. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.